We are now being joined by the President of Jammu and Kashmir BJP, Mr. Ravinder Raina. Mr. Raina, first of all, many thanks for speaking to India today. Mr. Raina, ever since Israel eliminated Hezbollah chief Nasrullah, massive politics has erupted in the Kashmir Valley. PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti has called Nasrullah a martyr. Iltija Mufti has compared Kashmir with Gaza. She is saying that Muslims are being persecuted in Gaza as well as in Kashmir. How would you respond to it?
This is very unfortunate thing that some of the political leaders in Jammu and Kashmir are dancing on the tones of such elements those try to destroy the Jammu and Kashmir. We, the people of Jammu and Kashmir, suffered badly from Pakistani sponsored terrorism in last 40 years. We have witnessed the large scale genocides, massacres, brutal killing of the innocent people both in Jammu region and in Kashmir Valley. And the political leaders, instead of supporting the people, they are rubbing the salt on the wounds of all those who have lost their family members in terrorism. This is unfortunate thing. Mehbooba Mufti and all other political leaders should avoid making such instigation in Kashmir. We have suffered a lot.
Feel they are instigating the people of Kashmir?
Yeah, this is instigation, and the people of Jammu as well as Kashmir Valley, they know it very well that it is nothing but the political agenda of some of the political parties. As there are elections are going on, they are just cooking their own meal in this fire.
I feel they are trying to vitiate the peaceful atmosphere in the Kashmir Valley.
They are spitting venom in the society. They are trying to create a wedge again.
But
They
Mr.
are
Rana,
again-
why are the mainstream politicians, making such kind of statement?
See, this is an attempt by some of the political leaders in Kashmir Valley to destabilize peace, and again they are trying to radicalize the atmosphere. But this time, people in Jammu and Kashmir, they will not follow the dictates of the Mehbooba Mufti and other political.
Iltija Mufti is saying that her heart is pained by the elimination of Nasrullah.
I think our heart must pain for the people those suffered badly in Jammu and Kashmir. Our heart must feel pain for all those who suffered badly because of Pakistani sponsored terrorism. All these political leaders, those are showing love and affection for the terrorists and their bosses. They have never uttered a word of solidarity with the family members those suffered from the Pakistani sponsored terrorism, and now they are instigating and making this terrorism as their political agenda. People in J&K knows their nefarious designs, and we will never ever allow such elements to succeed in Kashmir.
Even many national conference leaders, including the Srinagar MP, has issued statements in favor of Hezbollah and Nasrullah.
Bad part. This is bad part of the politics, that once again attempts are being made by some of the Kashmir-based political leaders to destabilize the peace. This is bad practice. Their designs are not good. They are not people's friendly political leaders. They are just trying to create a mess in Kashmir Valley. They want again an atmosphere where hartals, bandh calls, stone peltings, and grenades, bombs were hurled on the innocent peoples. But we won't allow such elements to succeed in their designs.
Mr. Rana, what will be your appeal to the people of Kashmir in general and Jammu and Kashmir, across Jammu and Kashmir?
I appeal to the people of Jammu and Kashmir as well that be aware of such elements. Those are trying to instigate the people. Be aware of these political leaders. Those are running their own agenda. They are trying to destabilize the peace. We need peace, prosperity, and brotherhood in Jammu and Kashmir. We don't want the era of 1990s that we have witnessed. We have already suffered badly. Each and every member, every house, every family in J&K suffered badly because of Pakistani sponsored terrorism. No more terrorism, no more mess, no more chaos. We want peace, prosperity, love, affection, and brotherhood.
Many thanks for speaking to India Today.
Thank you.
So that was J&K BJP Chief Ravinder Raina speaking exclusively to India Today with video journalist Neeraj Kumar. This is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.